Uncle Mark here. This is just an additional information on a video I did a couple of years ago. It was episode 15. I was working on our fifth wheel trailer. Air conditioning wasn't starting up. Ended up being the capacitor. Lots of people have watched that and they've asked me, do I have a copy of the schematic for the air conditioner? Didn't think so, but I've actually found a copy. So I'm going to post it right now. If you don't know which video it is, or if you're kind of interested in seeing that, at the very end of this video, and it's just a couple minutes long, I will post up on the top a link to that other video. Anyway, hopefully this helps, because I know lots of people asking, do I have a copy of the schematic? They don't have theirs. You've asked it. I've got a copy. Here it is. Don't forget to subscribe at the bottom too.